Good morning. In this week's block news, Gutenberg version 14 is released and it contains lots of improvements, a first glimpse of an amazing new way to use Gutenberg and artificial intelligence. Alan Rickman reads the latest Gutenberg reviews from WordPress.org, and WP Engine roll out the alpha of their full-site editing studio. Let's get newsy.
Time for blog news. It's news about blocks.
Gutenberg version 14 rolled out earlier this week, and it's a big update with loads and loads of improvements. I'll link to the changelog in the description below if you want to read through them all, but here it is. It's vast and numerous. If you want to take this for a spin, I've also set you up a one-click website where you can take the latest version and see for yourself, but here's a few of the highlights. The first highlight is you can change the font family on the paragraph block. Just come over to the settings panel here and click on font family. And now you can actually change the font. Now this theme only has a couple of fonts, but your theme will decide which fonts you can change this to. So that's very exciting. The second nice feature is you've got more dimension controls per block. So now we can actually change the dimensions. That's the padding and the margin on the paragraph block. That's completely new. And that's available on far more blocks now. Again, it's all detailed in the changelog. The table of contents block now supports color controls. Let me just add one into this page here. Here it is, and over on the right you can now see we can now do things like change the background color. I just want to quickly mention auto naming in the list view because I haven't reported on this before, and I don't think it's part of this release. I can't find it, but I haven't seen it before, so I just want to show you it because it's super useful. So if I add headings into this page, can you see over on the left in the list view how it's auto naming them for me? Now I'm pretty sure this was probably there before, but I can't remember seeing it, and I just think it's such a huge useful improvement. This week's tweet of the week was from Aaron Edwards, who tweeted this out, and it looks really fantastic. I've got a little sleep this week building this, an epic AI-powered Gutenberg block to generate beautiful images from a text prompt in seconds and insert them into your WordPress posts and pages like dalle 2 for WP. And here's what the user interface looks like. Essentially, you'll add the block to your site, then you'll write your words. This is the prompt that the artificial intelligence will use to create your image. Then it will create 4 images. You'll choose the variation that you want, save that, and then insert that into your post. Looks really exciting, so I'll be keeping a track of this one. Every week I report on the Gutenberg reviews that are found on WordPress.org. They are definitely getting better. There's far more 5 stars than 1 stars these days, which is great to see. And by the magic of AI, we always get Alan Rickman to read the latest one.
Better now, but still a waste of time. I came back to Gutenberg after failed forced integration with the bin core. It's been a few years and I have to say it is much better now, but still it's a huge waste of everyone's time. I just can't accept the fact that there are many talented developers involved in this project. It seems unreal. How much money must be burned just for something nobody actually asked for? As a developer myself, I saw huge potential in the customizer. It just needed some more tools and better core support. What comes in mind with Gutenberg? Nobody likes it, nobody asked for it, nobody wants it. Everybody installs classic editor fallback. It's a miracle you actually worked with community and support custom post meta fields, another. But I remember when you just threw the Gutenberg as a default post editor and destroyed everybody's websites.
Well, that's probably the most dramatic reading we've ever had for the Gutenberg reviews read by Alan Rickman. So thank you, Alan. Fantastic reading. A really detailed review there. Don't agree with much of it, but there you go. That's the whole point of reviews. Everyone has their own opinion. And then finally today, WP Engine have started to roll out an alpha preview of their FSE Studio. This is a plugin that lets you create your own full-site editing themes, but it also does cool stuff like let you create your own block patterns and include those block patterns in themes. So I'm going to be doing a preview and walkthrough of what they've built so far in the next few weeks. So if you want to keep an eye on that, just hit that subscribe button below and you'll be notified when I release that video. That's it for today. If you could hit that like button now, it would be fantastic because it really, really, really does help spread the word of the channel. So thank you, hit it now. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, just hit subscribe to keep up to date with all that's best in Gutenberg and WordPress. Also, every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. Once again, thank you for watching, keep well, and I'll see you soon.